If your vehicle is showing a P059F code, in this video, I'll explain what it means and how to go about fixing it. What is a P059F code? It stands for Active Grille Air Shutter Performance Code. In simple terms, many modern vehicles have an air shutter system located in the front grille, right in front of the radiator. Inside, there are fins that open and close. When the engine is cold, these fins stay closed, which helps the engine warm up faster. Engines run most efficiently at a certain temperature, so keeping it in that optimal range is important. This system also improves aerodynamics. When the shutters are closed, air is redirected around the vehicle, reducing drag. The biggest benefit, however, is in cold climates. Closed shutters help prevent the engine from losing heat too quickly, keeping it at the ideal operating temperature. Possible causes of a P059F code. One common cause is physical damage to the front grille or the air shutter fins themselves. Anything that hits the front of the vehicle and impacts these fins can prevent the actuator or motor from opening and closing them properly. The first step when you see this code is to inspect the front of the vehicle. Check for any damage to the grille or the fins, because even minor damage can interfere with the system's operation. Also, be sure to check that nothing is stuck in the shutter fins. Leaves, debris, ice, or anything else lodged in there can stop the shutters from moving. Anything that holds them open, keeps them closed, or restricts their movement can cause this code to set. The next thing to look at is the wiring or harness going to the motor. If there's an open circuit, short, or bad connection in the harness, it can prevent the motor from working correctly. Inspect the wiring carefully. Make sure all connections are secure and confirm there's no damage. If everything checks out so far, then the next thing that could be causing this issue is a bad shutter motor or actuator. These motors usually operate a small lever that moves up and down to open and close the grille shutters. Sometimes that lever can become disconnected, or the motor itself can simply fail. When that happens, the shutters won't move correctly, and the computer will set this code. So if you've ruled everything else out, very likely the motor or actuator has gone bad and needs to be replaced. And that's basically it. If you have anything to add, feel free to leave a comment down below. If this video was useful, please click like, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.